Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. Really proud to show you another one of our install videos to you guys. What we've been working on today is a 2016 BMW X1. This customer came into us looking to add heated seats into the vehicle. We do loads of these systems, but predominantly we do them into the front of the vehicle. We'd just like to show you this video, and we're doing this video to show you that we can do something a little bit more bespoke. So if you are looking for something like this, feel free to get in touch with our team. All our work gets carried out in our workshop facilities in Cambridge. Typically, heated seats will take about a day to do. We normally allow a day to do front heated seats. We've allowed a little bit extra time to do the ones that we've done in this particular vehicle. So this car from factory already came with the factory front heated seats in there. But what this customer was lacking and what his last car had was rear heated seats. So what we've managed to do is get heated seats into the rear seats of this particular vehicle. So this can be done on practically or nearly every single vehicle out there. So if you are interested in this, feel free to get in touch with us. So what we're going to do, we're going to step inside the vehicle and we're going to show you what you're going to see from a customer's perspective. We're now inside the vehicle and now showing you exactly what you're going to see from a customer's perspective. This vehicle's been completely stripped down. This seat, all the leather and upholstery has been taken off. We've added in elements underneath the seat and then everything's gone back together without any differences visible to you as a customer. So the only thing that you see as a customer whenever we do heated seats is this very small switch which is up here. So this is a little rocker switch, so you've got two settings on this, so these are on in ignition. You've got the low setting there, you've got off, and then you've got high. So really easy for a customer to use. These switches can be located practically anywhere in the vehicle. So you just let us know and we choose that either on the day or beforehand. So as you can see, there's no differences done to any of the leather. It's not bulging at all. It looks really, really neat and OEM. You can't tell we've been there. These seats also electronically fold forward. So we've got no loss in any of that functionality as well. You use your car exactly as you did before. However, you've got the functionality that this customer wanted, which was heated seats into the rear of this vehicle. So we'd just like to thank you for watching our short video on this BMW X1 and the rear heated seats that we've added into this vehicle. So if you are interested in this, feel free to get in touch with our team. All our work gets carried out from our workshop facilities in Cambridge. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as follow us on all our social media, Twitter, Facebook, as well as Instagram. So thank you very much again, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon.